Children, listen. Now, exercise 10.7, fifth question. See, before we completed a third question, which comes under linear in y, that is yy model. Differential of y means again only one y. There is no other y variable. And the remaining all functions of x. So that is linear in y. Okay, now listen to the question. Solve the equation. Solve 2x minus 10y cube into dy plus y into dx is equal to 0. Okay, now I want to identify whether it is a linear in y or linear in x. Okay, listen, using pencil, differential of y. Okay, differential of y means next here available y cube, differential of y, and y is okay, but here y cube. So because of y cube, this is not a linear in y. Okay, next choice, verify whether it is a linear in x or not. Listen, here using pencil, differential of x. Differential of x, again only one x, whose power is 1 and which is free, and no other x variable. Remaining all functions of y. Therefore, this is linear in x. That's all. So we identified the given question is linear in x. Okay, this is linear in x. First, take your given question. Solution: 2x minus 10y cube into dy plus y into dx, which is equal to 0. Again, using pencil. Differential of x, again only one x, whose power is 1 and which is free, and no other x variable. Remaining all functions of y. Therefore, this is linear in x. Okay. Linear in x means we want to make the form. Yes. We want to make the form dx by dy. Okay. We want to make the form dx by dy. Dx by dy plus py is equal to q. It's a standard form for linear in x. So I want to make dx by dy plus py is equal to q, which is a standard form for linear in x. Okay. I want to make dx by dy. So that is why, for our convenience, here dx by dy. So dx term left side for our convenience, and this dy term goes to right, becomes negative. So there are two terms are there, up to plus one term, plus after one term. So the first term goes to right side, and keep y dx left side itself. So your idea is y into dx. Y dx is equal to minus of 2x minus 10y cube into dy. Okay. Again, we want to make the form dx by dy. So this dy comes left side. Okay. Already y is there. So y into dx by dy, which is equal to minus of 2x minus 10y cube. Okay. Dx by dy is ready, but we need the form dx by dy plus py is equal to q. Here dx by dy plus px, because xx model, we want to make the form xx model. So that is why here I want to make dx by dy coefficient is 1. So this into y goes to right, becomes divided. That is fully divided by. That's the idea. Otherwise, before step itself one can do. That is, dy comes left side, becomes divided, and y goes to right, becomes divided. That's all. Also correct. Yes, divided by y, ready. Now, see, this denominator one term belongs to both the numerators. Split it. While splitting, and before splitting, we have one more idea. This minus going to multiply inside for our convenience. Okay, minus going to multiply inside the bracket. We get minus into minus plus 10y cube. So that is 10y cube. Minus into 2x, yes, minus 2x divided by y. Now, this y belongs to both of the numerators. Split it, we get, which is equal to 10y cube divided by y minus 2x divided by y. Okay, 2x divided by y, whose left hand side is dx by dy. Okay, now using pencil, y fully cancel. Okay, cube cancel means remaining square, that is 10y square. And also, listen, the first term 10y square, and we need the form dx by dy plus px. So that is why here xx should be left side. So bring this minus to left side, and 10y square keep right side itself. So the left hand side is dx by dy plus 2x by y is equal to 10y square. Okay, listen. Say there is no place downwards. So next page. Listen, next page. Dx by dy. Dx by dy is equal to not equal, minus comes left side, becomes plus. So dx by dy plus of 2x by y, okay, 2x by y, 2x by y, which is equal to 10y square, okay, 10y square. Now again, using pencil, listen, dx by dy plus 2x by y is equal to 10y square. Now using pencil, differential of x, again only one x, whose power is 1, and which is free, and no other x variable, all remaining all functions of y. Therefore, this is linear in x. Okay, linear in x means what is the standard form? Yes, the standard form is dx by dy plus px is equal to q. So dx by dy plus px is equal to q, where the x coefficient is 2 by y, so which is equal to p, and the right hand side fully considered as q. Okay, now the theory portion is, this is linear in x, this is linear, okay, this is linear in x, okay, this is linear in x, it is of the form dx by dy plus px is equal to q, it is of the form, okay, it is of the form dx by dy plus px is equal to q, okay, here p is equal to q is equal to, we want to find here, okay, here p is equal to, anyone? Yes, here x coefficient p, here x coefficient 2 by y, so p is equal to 2 by y, and q is equal to, here RHS is equal to q, here what is RHS? Yes, 10y square, so RHS is equal to 10y square, yes, which is 10y square, box it, so p and q ready. Okay, now, therefore the general solution is, yes, the general solution, therefore the general solution is given by here differential of x. So differential of x means starting with the x. So x into differential of x, therefore the solution starting with the x. So x into e power integral, yes, p dy, integral p dy, listen the technique, x opposite dy, okay, which is equal to yourself, yes, integral q into the same e power integral p dx, that is e power integral p dx into dx plus constancy. Okay, say morning we completed already one sum. Say what is e power integral p dy? Yes, which is equal to integrating factor. Here e power integral p dy is equal to integrating factor. Similar idea. E power integral, see here x opposite dy, that is very important. Okay, dy. Don't forget. X opposite into dy. Okay, the remaining part which is e power integral p dy is equal to integrating factor. That's all. Now rewrite the formula. Say x into integrating factor. Here after yourself. X into integrating factor, which is equal to integral q into. Remaining is integrating factor. Q into integrating factor into dy plus constant c, which is equals number. There is no name is given, so that is why let it be which is equals number 1. Listen, it's a before question is a third question. Third question, linear in y, which we completed already. Now it is a second model, linear in x. That's all. Okay. Now I want to find the first integrating factor. To find the integrating factor, first let us find the small integral p dy. So now small integral p dy is equal to, first complete small integral p dy, then integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dy. Then substitute integrating factor value in first equation, we are going to get answer. Okay. Now listen. Say integral p dy is equal to, now integral p dy. Integral p dy is equal to integral. Say what is capital P? Yes, capital P is equal to 2 by y. So capital P is equal to 2 by y into dy. Okay, next step yourself. Yes, 2 means 2 into 1. That means where 2 is a multiple constant which comes outside the integration. So which is equal to 2 into integral 1 by y dy. Okay. Can you tell me whether formula available? Yes, that is integral 1 by y dy is equal to log y. Yes, formula is available. So 2 into log modulus y, and left hand side is integral p dy. Okay. Now for our convenience, here logarithm coefficient 2. So this coefficient 2 goes to power. Okay, goes to power. That means by using power rule, therefore log modulus y square, and so which is integral p dy. So integral p dy answer is ready. But we need integrating factor. Integrating factor equal to e power integral p dy. That's all. Now integrating factor is equal to, yes, integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dy, which is equal to e power integral p dy. What is integral p dy? Yes, which is equal to log of y square. That is log modulus y square. Okay, which is equal to. Now listen, base e, power log with the coefficient 1. See, when the base e and the power log with the coefficient 1, then base e and the log cancel. See, when it is going to cancel means the log coefficient should be 1. Then only base e and the power log cancel, remaining y square. See, that is square gives always positive and the modulus gives always positive. Therefore, modulus y square equal to y square. So it is enough to write y square. That's it, which is integrating factor. So integrating factor is equal to y square. Okay, integrating factor equal to y square is ready. Now substitute integrating factor equal to y square in first equation. We get, okay, say mind itself. Yes, x into y square is equal to integral q, where q is equal to 10y square into integrating factor equal to y square into dy plus c, which means 1 becomes, that's all. Now 1 becomes. Now calculation very simple. 1 becomes in first equation x into integrating factor. Integrating factor equal to y square. So x into y square, which is equal to integral q, where q is equal to 10y square. So 10y square into integrating factor equal to y square. So into y square. Already into dy is available. Into dy plus constant c. Okay, next step yourself. Yes, that is xy square is equal to, here 10 is a multiple constant. It comes outside the integral. That means 10 into integral, okay, yourself, yes, y power 4. Because y square into y square, y power 4. Just a multiplication. That is y power 4 into dy plus c. 10 comes outside, y square into y square, y power 4. Now, verify integration please. Yes, integral y power 4 into dy is equal to y power 5 by 5. Okay, because it is of the form integral x power n into dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So y power 4 integration y power 5 by 5. That is xy square is equal to 10 into y power 4 integration y power 5 by 5 plus constant c. Now simplification. Yes, simplification 1 5 is 5, 2 5 are 10. That is xy square is equal to 2y power 5 plus constant c. So which is the required answer for fifth question. Again listen, say third question linear in y. Now fifth question linear in x. So linear in y, linear in x, we have two methods. So two methods completed. Also I am doing the difficult problems and the very simple problems left for you as homework. Children listen, now sixth question. Say that is, this question is two-state question. So that only I am doing myself. Say solve the equation. Solve the equation x into sin x into dy by dx plus x cos x plus sin x into y is equal to sin x. Okay. How to identify that type? Yes. That is using pencil. Yes, your answer is correct. Using pencil, first trial and error method. Say differential of y. Differential of y, again only one y and whose power is 1 and no other y variable. Remaining all functions of x. Therefore, so using pencil, differential of y, again only one y whose power is 1 and which is free and there is no other y variable. Remaining all functions of x. Therefore, this is linear in y. That's all. Yes, we identify the type. Type is ready. Linear in y. That's all. Now, linear in y means what is the standard form? Yes, the standard form is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. But where dy by dx coefficient I need 1. Okay, here in standard form dy by dx coefficient should be 1. So to make the standard form, this x sin x here no need. So that is why to eliminate this, divided by x sin x on both sides. That's all. So that is a step 1. Okay, take your question first. The question is x sin x into dy by dx plus of x cos x plus sin x into y is equal to sin x. Listen, it is almost in the standard form. See, it is of the form, again using pencil, differential of y, y. So it is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. But I need here coefficient 1. So that is why to make very first coefficient 1 divided by x sin x on both sides. That's all. So divided by x into sin x on both sides we get. Okay. Now mind itself. One can do mind itself. Listen, what about the first term? Yes. X sin x divided by x sin x cancel. So remains dy by dx. Okay. Remaining dy by dx. Dy by dx plus of that is moon bracket divided by x sin x. You write as it is. The moon bracket is x cos x plus sin x divided by x into sin x. Okay. Children, listen. X cos x plus sin x divided by x into sin x. Okay, that is moon bracket divided by x sin x into y. Don't forget. Okay, into y is there. Into y, which is equal to sin x divided by x into sin x. Sin x divided by x into sin x. Okay, that's all. Now, in RHS, any simplification? Yes, that is one time of sin x, one time of sin x. That is, what is remaining in RHS? Yes, 1 by x is remaining. And I write it now. That is dy by dx plus of bracket x cos x plus sin x moon bracket fully divided by x into sin x, and one can put a moon bracket for the both numerator and the denominator into y. So that is into y, which is equal to 1 by x. Now listen, again using pencil, differential of y, again only one y. There is no other y variable, and y power is 1. Y power must be 1. Okay, this is linear in y. Differential of y, again only one y, and whose power is 1, and there is no other y variable. Remaining all functions of x, therefore this is linear in y. Okay. Now it is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay. Here y coefficient are fully considered as p. Now I want to write the percent. Okay. This is linear in y. This is linear in y. This is linear in y. It is of the form dy by dx. It is of the form. Okay. It is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. That's all. Here y coefficient capital P, and the y coefficient is this moon bracket fully. Therefore, capital P is equal to moon bracket, and the right hand side q is equal to this right hand side 1 by x. That's all. Okay. Here, yes. Here capital P is equal to, here capital P is equal to x cos x plus sin x divided by x into sin x. So capital P is equal to x cos x plus sin x fully divided by x into sin x. Complete. Next, q is equal to 1 by x. That is right hand side q is equal to right hand side 1 by x. Box it. Okay. Up to this ready. Again, this is linear in y. It is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. And here p is equal to x cos x plus sin x divided by x into sin x. Q is equal to 1 by x. Okay. Therefore, the general solution is, anyone? Yes, your answer is correct. Therefore, the general solution is given by, here differential of y, therefore starting with y, that is important. And here also why not? Differential of y, again only one y. Differential of y, so the solution starting with y. Using pencil tick like this. Differential of y, therefore the solution starting with y. Now y opposite dx, dx, dx. So that is certain. Okay, now y into e power integral p dx. Okay, which is equal to integral q into the same e power integral p dx. So q into e power integral p dx into dx plus constant c. Now as usual, e power integral p dx is named as integrating factor. Okay, similar idea. E power integral p dx is given by integrating factor. That's all. Okay, now rewrite this formula by rewriting y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c, which is e to the power 1. Okay, now first we want to find the integrating factor. To find the integrating factor, first let us complete this small integral, the power integral p dx. Okay, now listen. Now integral p dx is equal to okay, integral, what is capital P? Yes, capital P is equal to x cos x plus sin x divided by x into sin x moon bracket into dx. Okay, yes, already dx is available. Integral where p is equal to moon bracket into dx. Okay, now in 10th chapter, first we want to verify this standard formula. That is, see, when the differential of denominator is equal to numerator will be the answer, then its answer is given by log is a function of denominator. Okay, first verify this formula, and this formula is not applicable, then only you want to move some other formula, integration, in 10th chapter. Almost all the sums comes under this formula. Okay, not all the sums, most of the sums. Now listen, the technique is, denominator differentiation is numerator will be the answer, then log is a function of the denominator. That is the technique. Okay, now listen, here x into sin x. Yes, x into sin x is of the form u into v model. Okay, u into v model. Okay, u into v model means x fixed, sin x differentiation cos x, plus now sin x fixed, x differentiation into 1. Yes, say exactly the denominator differentiation is numerator is the answer, therefore log is a function of denominator. Formula is available. Now the left hand side is integral p dx, which is equal to log is a function of, that is log modulus x into sin x. Okay, that's all. So integral p dx answer is ready. Now I want to find the integrating factor. Okay, I want to find the integrating factor. Now listen carefully, integrating factor. Here there is no place downwards, so I need the next page. Listen, now integrating factor is equal to, now integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dx. Yes, integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx, which is equal to e power integral p dx answer. Integral p dx answer is log is a function of x sin x, that is log modulus. Listen, log modulus x into sin x. That's all. Okay, which is equal to, yes, very good. Here the base e and the power log with the coefficient 1. Base e, power log with the coefficient 1, then e and the log cancel. Your answer is x sin x. And the modulus gives always positive. Therefore, integrating factor is equal to x into sin x. This integrating factor is ready. Now, substitute integrating factor answer in first equation. We get. Okay, mind itself. Tell your answer. Yes, y into integrating factor is x sin x. So, y into x sin x is equal to integral q. Q is equal to, yes, 1 by x. So, integral 1 by x into integrating factor equal to x sin x into dx. Okay, first substitute, then we can simplify. Okay, here y into x sin x. Y into x sin x, which is equal to integral q. Q is equal to 1 by x. Q equal to 1 by x into integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to x into sin x. X into sin x. Okay, and into dx. Integral q equal to 1 by x, integrating factor x sin x into dx. That's already available, into dx. So into dx plus a constant c. That's all. Okay. Now any further simplification? Good. Where say x cancel. Right, remaining integral sin x into dx plus c. Okay. Sin x into dx plus c, which is equal to yourself. Yes. Integral sin x into dx equal to minus cos x. Integral sin x into dx equal to minus cos x. Minus cos x. And goes inside x coefficient by 1. That is important. Say sin x integration minus cos x and goes inside x coefficient by 1. Suppose sometimes integral sin 2x into dx equal to integration is given by minus cos 2x divided by 2. Here x coefficient 1 means by 1, x coefficient 2 means by 2, x coefficient 3 means by 3. So that is a technique. Plus constant c. And by 1 no need. And also one more idea, in integration, answer c gets a negative answer. That is a technique. Okay. Why? Because this minus comes here means, in integration, answer c gets negative. That's idea. Which is equal to minus cos x plus c. And the left hand side is y into x or x into y. So x, y sin x. X, y sin x. For our convenience, bring this minus term to left side, we get becomes positive. That is xy into sin x plus cos x, which is equal to constant c. So which is the vacuum solution.